Next, we are going to install Git. Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code during software development. And to install Git, you go to Google and you type Git. So it's going to show you the website git-scm.com. So you just click on it, or you just click here, download. So this is the Git website. So we have different version, Mac, Linux, and Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download the Windows version. If I'm using whatever operating system you're using, you can choose your operating system here. So I'm going to click on download. So it's going to download in a few minutes. You can see it's downloading already. All right, Git has finished downloading. So you double click on it. So it's going to prompt you. You say yes. So you say next. You say next. So you can check this and say install. All right, so Git has finished installing on our machine. So we'll move to the next step.